Okay friends, to get started on this job, let's go ahead and get underneath the front of the car. After that, we're going to remove this panel that comes across right here. You're going to find some push clips that come across like that, and then of course some bolts as well. We need to remove all of that. Remove the panel. With that out of the way, we have a nice clear view of our ambient air temp sensor. To remove this, you could use a pick or a small screwdriver, get underneath this lip right here, and then of course we're going to separate the wiring from the unit itself. There it is, friends. Now it's time to install our brand new sensor. Let's go ahead and take this. We're going to line it up with where it belongs and we'll slide it right in. Listen for a click, give it a nice tug, make sure it's secure. Let's get this back up on here. I'm going to start with my push clips. We're going to put those in where they belong, right up along this area. And of course that'll help hold it up while I put in all my screws. Start on all your screws before you tighten any of them up.